Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can start signing up for a TikTok shop. This is very easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, go to TikTok, then go to your profile. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on TikTok Studio. After that, you will see this page. When you're here, under monetization, tap on TikTok Shop for Seller. Then here, as you can see, you may now sign up either using your email or mobile number. Another way to sign up is by using your existing TikTok account. You just have to tap on this button. Once you have signed up, you will then have to fill out the application to become a TikTok seller. You will just need a valid ID for this, and once you submitted your application, TikTok will then review it within 1 to 2 days. Once it's approved, you will be able to start setting up your store and start selling. And there you have it. That's how you can simply start signing up for a TikTok shop. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.